What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your technoboy, and here you can see Zebronics 2.1. It's a boombox, compact speaker, whatever you can say that is. And another thing is right there. You can see F203G. That's F&D 2.1 home theater. That's the main unit right there, and it's turned on. And these are the channel speaker right there, the left one and there the right one. So today I'm going to do the sound test comparison between these two, cause that thing has a 4-inch subwoofer and this thing has a 4-inch subwoofer too, and they both are like low in wattage, like 16 watt or maybe 20 watt max, the total wattage sound output. So I'm going to do the sound test. I'm going to keep it right there, and I'm going to start with the F&D, and the songs are ready. So let's do the sound test. So now the F&D, that one and that one, that's going to work. This thing is turned off now, so I'm going to start with the F&D, and then we'll play on the Zebronics. it.